affirmations here. I am creating my life with no limitations. Write that down. I'm creating my life with no limitations. I am worthy and deserving of the life I am creating. I am worthy and deserving of the life I am creating. See, we have to act. We are required to participate in our own success. Right? We are required to participate in our own success. See, knowing and doing, there's two different things, right? Knowing is one thing, doing is another. It takes both. It takes both, guys. It takes knowing and then it takes doing. Because you only truly know when you do. Araj said this one time and I thought, oh my goodness. Because a lot of times we say, oh, I know that. Oh, I know that. But what it actually is you've heard it before. Because he said, how do you know the difference between I've heard it before versus I know it? And he said this. He said, if you know it, the results are showing up in your life. If the results aren't showing up, then you've heard it before, but you haven't taken action on it. See, you've done part of the assignment. You've done the knowing part of the assignment. You haven't done the doing part. Because how many of us have, it wasn't until we started prospecting, it wasn't until we started following up, it wasn't until you started out, you reached out to a pre-cancel, it wasn't until you helped somebody rank advance till you actually understood how to do it, right? You had been taught before, you had the notes, but it wasn't until you actually acted on that information that you started, in fact, understanding it, and you had that knowing.